Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Watch not syncing on Ladder. So if your Apple Watch isn't syncing with the Ladder app, it's usually a health sync issue, permissions problems, or a Bluetooth and background refresh restrictions. So actually guys, first you will need to check the Apple Health permissions, and that's the most important thing. So Ladder relies on Apple Health to sync with Apple Watch. So on your iPhone you will need at first to go to your settings, okay, to your device settings actually, and then just scroll all the way down until you can see the privacy and security option. Tap on it, and here you will need to find health, okay, so that's app. Tap on health and then find Ladder right here, okay, and tap it, and here you will need to enable the workouts, heart rate, and activity. Okay, so that's the heart rate. So for example, you will need to go and tap here to enable it. Okay, and the same for the workout and activity. So if these are off, syncing won't work at all. And also guys, you will need to make sure that the Apple Watch is connected. So open the Watch app on iPhone and check your watch is paired and online, and turn the Bluetooth off into on if needed. Also guys, you will need to sync the app. How so? You only just open the Ladder app and close it completely. So just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just close it that way. So swipe it away or swipe it up as well, and open again a few seconds or after a few seconds, and also open the Watch app once. Also guys, I really advise you to do a restart for both devices. So restart your iPhone and your Apple Watch as well. So to do that, you will need to hold the side button and then go with power off or on, okay? And this fixes most sync delays. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.